Start. Hello friends. Today we are going to read a very special topic, that is human digestive system. First of all, we should understand what we mean by human digestive system. The process of taking food inside and expel out for the proper use of food is called human digestive system. So we should understand for the structure of this human digestive system. This is the structure of a human digestive system. It consists of salivary gland, oral cavity, pharynx, liver, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Basically, this human digestive system consists of two parts: gastrointestinal tract, also called alimentary canal, and second one is the accessory organs. This gastrointestinal tract consists of mouth, teeth. Mouth are again differentiated into teeth, salivary gland, and tongue. Pharynx, esophagus, stomach. Small intestine divided into duodenum, jejunum, ileum, and large intestine divided into appendix, cesium, colon, and rectum. Accessory glands are divided into pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. They are not the part of the gastrointestinal tract but responsible for the human digestive system. Now we should understand the enzymes required in human digestive system. This is an amylase which is secreted from salivary gland, responsible for breakdown of carbohydrate. Now pepsin, which is responsible for the breakdown of protein, and in this HCl fight with the microorganisms present in the food. This bile, which is secreted in the gallbladder, which is secreted from the liver, gets stored in the gallbladder, and when it is required, it is released from this gallbladder into the small intestine. This pancreas secretes pancreatic amylase, trypsin, and lipase. Now, 5 steps there is a digestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion is the placing of food into the mouth. The digestion of two processes, mechanical and chemical. In the mechanical, the teeth is responsible to break down, and the chemical, the enzymes are responsible for this digestion. The absorption, the main complete absorption takes place in the small intestine, where the nutrients get absorbed by the bloodstream of the body. Then assimilation is nutrient is absorbed by the each and every part of the cell in the form of energy. Egestion means excretion of waste material from the body. Now function of this digestive system, digestion and absorption, the two main functions of the digestive system. Digestion is necessary for breaking down the food particles and into the nutrients so that they can be used by each and every part of the cell. And third function is the body breaks the nutrients present in the drinks and the food into the carbohydrate, vitamin, fats, and the protein, so we get in the form of a energy.